Hey guys, Colombia can make some exceptional tasting rums, and today on Let's Talk Drinks, we're going to review and taste the Dictador 12-year-old. Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to do a rum tasting. We're going to do the Dictador 12-year-old. It's a medium-bodied Colombian aged rum, and it's aged between 8 and 14 years, which normally leaves it around that 12-year mark. It's distilled in copper pot and steel column stills, and it's made from fermenting virgin sugarcane honey. This could also be because in Colombia there's a law that says that all automobiles must use as fuel a percentage of gasoline and biofuels. As molasses is the most readily available biofuel to be used in Colombia, this didn't give a lot of options for the guys at Dictador, which was good for us because instead they used the sugarcane honey, and I'll tell you what, it's delicious. It's also aged by the Solera system in ex-bourbon casks and finished off in Spanish sherry casks. I've been busting to try this again today, so let's give it a go. I really love the sexy bottle as well. From what I've been told, it was designed by the Japanese, and it really looks great. So let's give it a little bit of a swirl. Really smells like a coffee liqueur. Brown sugar, vanilla, a little bit of cinnamon spice, and it also doesn't smell as sweet as what I expected. It's got a really great colour there as well. I presume that would be because of the finishing off in the sherry casks. Yeah, that's really good. Raisins, sultanas, once again a little bit of that toasted oak, that coffee in the back, a little bit of tannin, a little bit of toffee, sort of a little bit burnt toffee. I'm not sure if that comes from the American oak barrels. It's really good. I'd never really heard of Colombian rums before Dictador, but if they're anything like this, I'm going to definitely try to find another few bottles of them. The finish is really nice, probably a medium length, creamy, and I get this really nice salted caramel sort of flavour at the end as well. It's a bit of a winner for me. I would definitely go out and try it. I think this would be fantastic in an old fashioned or a rum Manhattan, but I think I would just normally drink this neat. As far as using it with a mixer, I probably wouldn't. If I was going to, possibly some ginger beer, but definitely give it a try on its own first. Please give us a like or a subscribe, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.